The next element that we want to add to our program is that we don't want the answer to be you could suck on a pacifier only if you're 1, but we also want to give that response if they type in a 2 or a 3, right? And the key word here is or. And what we have is the or operator. So if we go ahead and click on operator, you could see here we have and, we have or, and we have not, along with a whole host of other operators that we can use. But we want to use or here, right? Because we don't care if the user types in a 1 or a 2 or a 3, right? We want the same instruction to happen. This you can suck on a pacifier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this answer equal 1, put it right there. And then I'm going to put the or block inside of the if statement. And I'm going to go ahead and hit control, hold down the control button. I'm going to click on this little block here so that I could duplicate it. Ooh, let me do that again. And now, oh no, that's not what I want. Hold down control, hit duplicate. Oh, that's not working correctly. So maybe if I pull it out and I hold down control and oh, it's not letting me duplicate it. Well, I guess I need to rebuild it. So let me go ahead and grab answer, grab the equals operator, and I'm going to say or answer is equal to 2. And again, you want to be sure that it doesn't add an extra space here at the end of the 2. But I don't want it to just be 1 or 2. I also want it to be 3. So I'm going to do that process all over again. I'm going to get the equals. I'm going to get my answer variable, and I'm going to type in the word 3 here, or the number 3. And I forgot to get another or operator. So I'm going to put this or here on the end, and I'm going to put this or in the first slot. And so now what I have is where it says if answer is equal to 1, or answer is equal to 2, or answer is equal to 3, then execute this say instruction. And of course I need to change the content of the say because I don't want to say the number 1. Let's just say make it general and say you can suck on a pacifier. So let me go ahead and play that. We welcome, and now I'm going to type in the number 2 in my answer box. You can suck on a pacifier. And let me go ahead and do it again just to prove it to you. And I'm going to type in the number 3 this time. And you could see that it also says you could suck on a pacifier. And just to prove it to you, conclusively, let me go ahead and type in the number 5. And so if I type in 5 and I hit enter, nothing happens. Because what happens here is it waits for me to enter in the answer. I enter in the number 5, then it checks if the answer was equal to 1, 2, or 3. It was not. That's not true. So then it did not do this say block. Right? It just came here to the end, and the end is the end of the program.